Like a thunderstorm on a summer day, she came out of nowhere, and I can say she's a supernova shining through the night, a never sleeping satellite. She's a damn good reason for the sun to rise when you see her smile in the morning light. And when she cries a wishing well. Plays hide and seek with the hounds of hell. She throws you down to take you high into her private sky. She's so beautiful, 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 magical, mystical, irresistible, cosmical, a wonderful overkill, and most of all beautiful. Call her name from the highest hill, and she's better than a $5 million bill. She swims with you to Atlantis coast to keep you safe while the world explodes. She's diving down to keep you high inside her velvet sky. She's so beautiful, 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 magical, mystical, irresistible, cosmical, a wonderful overkill, and most of all beautiful. She's so beautiful. She's so fairy tale. She wrote the brand new song for the nightingale. Sometimes I think she's invented, but thank God she's made of flesh and blood. She's everything I've ever missed and more, but most of all she is beautiful, 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 wonderful, powerful, magical, mystical, irresistible, overkill, and most of all